Understanding the basics of CPUs and GPUs is essential for anyone interested in computing, whether you're a beginner in technology, a gamer, or someone working with data-intensive applications like machine learning or video editing. Let's start with what a CPU is. The CPU, or the Central Processing Unit, is often referred to as the brain of a computer. It handles general tasks such as running programs, executing instructions, and managing data. CPUs are designed for sequential processing, meaning they handle tasks one after another. They are excellent at complex calculations and multitasking. The CPU is like a manager who oversees all operations, makes decisions, and ensures everything runs smoothly. Imagine a skilled chef who prepares complex meals by handling each step individually. This chef is versatile but might struggle with preparing a large number of identical dishes quickly. The same goes to CPU in the computing context. CPUs are crucial for tasks like web browsing, word processing, and running software applications. Now let's look at what a GPU is. The GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, is specialized for handling graphics and parallel processing tasks. It's ideal for rendering images, videos, and animations. GPUs excel at parallel processing, meaning they can handle many tasks simultaneously. This makes them perfect for tasks like gaming, video editing, and machine learning. The GPU is like a team of assembly line workers, each performing a specific task. Together, they can produce a large quantity of goods much faster than a single worker. Imagine a fast food assembly line where many workers assemble identical items quickly and efficiently. This is similar to how GPUs handle parallel tasks. GPUs are essential for gaming, video rendering, 3D modeling, and AI computations. In summary, CPUs are versatile and handle general computing tasks, while GPUs specialize in parallel processing and graphics-intensive tasks. Understanding their roles helps individuals make informed decisions about hardware choices and optimize their computing experiences.